Hey, it's AP, and today we're removing a toilet. Check it out. I recently renovated our guest bathroom, and as part of that, I needed to remove our toilet. This is a super easy project, doesn't require any special tools, and can be done in a half an hour or so. To do this, you'll need a screwdriver, we needed a flathead one, you'll need an adjustable wrench, a bucket, a plunger, a utility knife, and some old towels. Oh, and you may need an oscillating tool in case some goofball decided to grout your toilet to the floor. Spoiler alert, I needed an oscillating tool. All right, let me show you how it's done. First thing you need to do is shut off the water supply to the toilet, and then flush. There's going to be water left in the bowl in the tank. That's okay. To get it out of the bowl, I just used a plunger to push the water down. To get the water out of the tank, I just used an old towel to sop it up, and then I wrung it out into a bowl. Sorry, I couldn't resist some toilet humor here. Well, if you like that, you'll love this. A piece of toilet paper walks into a bar, and the bartender says, "You look really down. Everything okay?" And the toilet paper says, "I'm just wiped." And back to our regularly scheduled programming. Now that the water is clear, we can remove the water line. I just used an adjustable wrench here. The connector to the toilet tank just came off with my fingers and some elbow grease. There are two bolts holding the tank to the bowl. When unscrewing them, you'll need a wrench to hold the nut on the bottom. So long, tank. Now we just have to remove the floor bolts for the toilet bowl. Sorry for the shoddy camera work here. Apparently when I filmed this, I didn't own a tripod. Oh, never mind, there's the tripod. Now I thought that there was just caulking around the base of the toilet, which a utility knife would have made easy work of. But no. Someone actually grouted the base of the toilet to the floor. So I had to break out the big guns. A diamond-coated grout removal blade on my oscillating multi-tool. And while I'm doing that, why didn't the toilet roll make it across the road? Well, it got stuck in a crack. I'll see myself out. Once I got enough of the grout removed, the toilet just popped right off. Now you just scrape off the old wax ring and take a dirty old rag and stuff it into the sewage pipe until you're ready to install your new toilet. And that's it! The toilet can be a bit heavy, so if you have an extra pair of hands around, well, take advantage of them. Now you can move on to removing your flooring or swapping in a new toilet, whatever your heart fancies. Did you find this video helpful? Well, let me know in the comments below. And are you currently working on your own renovation? Well, check out this video on how to add lighting into your ceiling, or follow along with my full bathroom renovation in this playlist here. Hit those like and subscribe buttons as well. It doesn't cost a thing, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.